Hi, what's up, Pancakeswap holders? What's going on this time? Pancakeswap will get a very big dump, my friend. As you can see at this time, minus 2.72%. Pancakeswap price will decrease now. So, what's the big reason, my friend, and why they will dump down in an upcoming time? Can the huge explosion is coming soon? Can they will go to the moon, my friends? Everything I am going to discuss now with detail. But remember, in the start of video, I tell you this is not a financial video. Please don't take any risk, my friends, to watch our video. Please research personally, and after that, take a decision. I just advise you, please try to understand. As you can see, my friend, is the Pancakeswap coin were fails down. But remember, there is a two big reason, my friends. They were fails down. First of all, I want to explain this. The first reason was that, my friends, the short-term investors are starting selling, and when a holder is not starting holding, and the price will very badly fails down. So therefore, I will tell you, my friends, to if you are starting selling, then that's mean, my friends, to holder are starting stop holding, and they are starting selling, and definitely when a holder are stop holding, so definitely they were fails down. So therefore, I will tell you, my friends, to please try to understand this time Pancakeswap price will be pumps up if you are starting holding. And the second reason was that after a huge pump, absolutely the coin is fails down. So therefore, I will tell you, to after a dump they will pump, and after a pump they will dump. So try to understand holder to if they were fails down. So the big reasons are these two. Alright, my viewers, so if we check out the last 3 days chart, so we will better understand, my friends, to what's going on this time. Plus 0.5% the price is increased now just in only in last 3 days. That's really good news, my friend, for all of you. And absolutely, my friend, if you are starting holding, so remember to they will give you a profit. So please try to understand, my friends, the huge pump is coming soon, because at the end of month every coin will get a profit. So therefore, I hope to Pancakeswap will also price pump up and give you a very good profit. See you next time, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.